All right, today we're going to demonstrate how to use the SRT3. This is the orifice insert removal tool for the UL series regulators. Here we've got an old used regulator and an insert with an O-ring on it. I'm going to start just by pushing that into place so that we can remove it. So I'm going to take the tool with the stair step end and facing down. I'm going to insert that into the orifice. Being careful not to damage the orifice edge. If you do intend on reusing these orifices, it's critical that we don't damage this region. So carefully fish it down in there. And at this point, kind of put a slight amount of backwards pressure on the tool. And as you lower it down in, you'll feel it kind of click into place. And that is when the little stair step notch engages on the bottom of the insert. So with one hand kind of holding some slight backwards pressure, take a set of pliers and just kind of gently wiggle and pull up, all while maintaining that backward pressure. And that should catch on it and remove the insert. Alternatively, if it's a particularly old or troublesome unit, I found it works really well to soak the piece in hot water for a few minutes beforehand. You know, that's just tap hot water, 100 degrees or so. That has helped with some problem cases in the past as well. And that's it.